we have rational fraction. We have quadratic formula in denominator, so we will first check discriminate. Delta is equal b squared minus 4ac. In our example, a is equal 9, is coefficient before x squared, b is coefficient before x is negative 6, and c is constant 2. So we have that delta is equal b squared, so we have second power minus 4 times 9 times 2. So this is equal 36 minus 72. This is equal negative 36. Delta is less than 0, so we don't have real roots. So to solve this integral, we have to complete square. To do this, we will use formula. When we have quadratic formula a times x squared plus bx plus c, this is equal a times x minus p to second power plus q. P and Q, vertex of parabola, because we have quadratic formula, so the graph of quadratic function is parabola. Vertex is PQ, are coordinates of vertex of our parabola, and P is equal minus b over 2a, and Q is equal negative delta over 4a. So we will find P and Q. In our example, we have A, B, C. So P will be equal negative B. We have negative and negative, so we have positive 6 over 2A. So this is 18. So this is equal 1 over 3. And Q is equal negative delta, so we have negative and negative, so it will be positive 36 over 4 times 9 is 36. So this is equal 1. So now we can rewrite our denominator to form. We have integral. We have constant, so we can take this constant before integral, and we have dx over. First, we have to put a. A is equal 9 times x minus p. P is equal 1/3 square. Now we have plus q. Q is equal 1. So now we need to get to form to integral of dx x squared, because we have 1 here, so we put plus 1. Is equal arc tangent of x plus constant c. We need to get this form. So first I will substitute x minus 1/3 by u, and because coefficient before x minus 1/3 to second power is 9, and this constant is 1, so we put here, to reduce this number, we need to put square root of 1 over 9. Why I put square root? Because we have square of this expression, x minus 1/3. So now we have to find derivative of both sides of our equation. We will have derivative of x is 1, derivative of constant is 0, we don't have to write. And we have square root of 1 over 9 is 1/3. And we have derivative of du with respect to x. Now we multiply both sides by dx. So dx is equal 1/3 du. So now we can come back to our integral. This is equal 3. We have to rewrite, and we have integral dx is 1/3 du over, and we have now to 9, and we have x minus 1/3 is equal square root of 1 over 9 u square we have plus 1. So this is equal. We can take this 1/3 before integral, so 3 and 3 we can reduce, and we have integral of, we have numerator du, and in denominator will be 9. Square root of 1 over 9 to second power is 1 over 9 u square we have plus 1. So this is equal 9, and 9 we can reduce. So we have integral of du over u square plus 1. This is equal, we can use this form now, arc tangent. In our example we have u plus constant. Now we have to come back to our substitution. We have that x minus 1/3 is equal square root of 1 over 9 u. So first we know that square root of 1 over 9 is 1/3, so we have x minus 1/3 is equal 1/3 u. And now to reduce 1/3 we will multiply both sides by 3. So we'll have 3 times x minus 1/3. This is equal 1/3 times 3, we can reduce. So we will be u only. So this is equal 3x, and we have 3 times negative 1/3 is negative 1. This is our u. So we can come back to our solution. This is equal arc tangent of 3x minus 1 plus constant c. This is our solution.